that's a soda pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching the Malak channel. And today we have a special set of stickers. This is from SUKEBAN NYC, an amazing company. They work with a lot of artists that I really love and respect, and they just create really cool things, and they seem to treat their artists pretty well from what I can see. There's kind of a funny story of how I got these stickers. So some of you might remember, if you've been following the channel, that I did manage to get a Jessica Luna original on Eat Slugs quite a while back. I've been following her for a really long time now, and it's been awesome to see her grow so much. Back then, when she sent the original, it came a little bit bent, and recently I've been working on a video about art theft, and when I was kind of investigating this one art thief, I saw one of the pieces, and I was like, I'm pretty sure that's a Jessica Luna. That's an Eat Slugs. And so I reached out to her about it, and we were figuring it out, and sure enough, it was one of hers. She was like, oh, by the way, like I just wanted to let you know that I couldn't find your address again, and I wanted to send you a few stickers and stuff, because I felt bad about the drawing I sent being bent. It was one of the first originals I had sent out, and I hadn't really done much of that before, and so I've since improved my shipping methods. And I was like, oh, I get it, it's tough, and I sent her my address, and I was like, you don't have to send anything. But sure enough, yeah, I got some really sweet stickers from her. And so shouts out to Jessica Luna and Eat Slugs. I'll probably put links to her stuff. And shouts out to SUKEBAN. I'll probably be putting links to their stuff too. This video is not sponsored at all. I just really love Jessica Luna a lot. Incredible artist. Hardworking. Got dreams and aspirations. Great style. And SUKEBAN, if you have any sticker needs, give them a look-see, because they've got quite a variety of artists that are all talented. They give good products. I mean, look at this. Some nice holographic accents on that. On this one too. Kind of with the A86 car. And we got these two kind of racers complementing each other. Warm focused and cool focused with contrasting steering wheels. Very cool. You can tell she thinks a lot about composition and color palettes and stuff in her work. I can't stress enough how much I love Jessica Luna, Eat Slugs' work. So yeah, thank you so much for the stickers. You didn't have to, but you did. It's really awesome. Be sure to follow them and SUKEBAN, and to get yourself something nice from them. And I don't know, maybe one day I'll be able to work with SUKEBAN or collaborate directly with Jessica Luna. I'd love that. I love both of them. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. Be sure to give the individuals involved in the video a follow. Support them, maybe buy something nice, maybe check out my store, get yourself something, check out my Patreon, like and subscribe so we can keep doing this, keep supporting artists, sharing creatives' work, and just trying to be a good person in general and make it a little bit less hard to be an artist. That's part of my goal, and I really want to make art books too. So I got my dreams, and I'm very grateful to anyone who helps me along my path. Thanks again for watching the video, and I hope to see you again. Take care.
Yourself.